Hello, friends. This is Raki. Welcome to my channel. I am glad you have visited here. I am hoping that at the end of my videos, I am able to help you in my small little ways. My channel is for Thosia, who wants to start a YouTube channel. B, who wants to grow their channel since C, loves YouTube tutorials. One of them, please join in my channel through subscribing, commenting about your ideas, hit like button as well. Happy to be a part of your journey here in YT world.
Now let's begin.
So after setting up our end screen and end cards here in our YouTube channel, then we will proceed to setting up our channel trailer. So this channel trailer will be the first that the subscribers, the viewers, and the visitors will see in your YouTube channel. So let's start. Let's go to Chrome Beta, www.youtube.com, and then click the three dots on top, click desktop site, then click your picture, then your channel, customize channel, Chrome Beta, continue to studio, and then you can see here the layout. So we will click the channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So click add, and then we will choose welcome video for my YouTube, intro for my YouTube channel, intro for my YouTube channel. Then for the featured video for returning subscribers, you can add that. Let's look for our how to upload your first video, then publish. Then you can add sections here, featured sections of your channel. We have the uploads, and then we will click the created playlist. So it will automatically appear there, your created playlist as well, and then publish. So let's go to channel and check if we already have so we already have the channel trailer. So this is our channel trailer, which the visitors will see in front.
Friends. This is
after.
Raki.
Okay, then uploads. So thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, bye.